Dude, how much money do you have?
25.
Oh, I'm jelly. I've got like 10, I think.
I'm saving up for a bird.
Slug! Die! I hate you, Slug.
Anyways, hello everybody, this is Trevor Noah on the third episode of this. Yeah. Now this is same recording session, so no question of the day this episode. I'm not gonna do
Every
that.
time I drink now, I just drink through my house. I think I've said that every episode now.
I don't think you did it the first episode, but anyways, make sure to leave a like if you want more. Anyways, me and Tommy, Tommy next to X22 Gaming, whatever you want to call him, have decided it was a pretty cool idea. We're going to be, we have our own, like, you know how there's, like, people like the Pack that include Christian, Mr. Woofles, Beijing Canadian, Benja and everything, and, like, Team Crafted and stuff. Well, we can do that, but it's just me and Tommy at the moment. It's called the. You tell him, Tommy. You tell them, because I said basically everything this episode about it. So you tell them what the name is. Tommy, what is the name of our group?
The Purple Squad.
Yes.
Yay.
And we're going to try to get more people into it, like maybe TBC the Bacon Clan or maybe even Dorky Spider, but there's no guarantees, guys. If you watch them, well, I'm glad. They're good people. They're very good friends, and yeah. Now,
I cannot break my record of drinking through my ass. Ow. Like every time I land on something. I have to be cautious it's not underwater. Oh my god. Oh no, that would be awesome if I actually pulled it off. I'm trying to get on this pole. Not a pole, what? A tree. Like on the very top still. Oh, come on, bro. Come on, Bray. 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 Yes! No!
go crazy. Go crazy.
Come on.
Go crazy. Go crazy. Go crazy. I'm going to die.
You're going to die?
Yep.
Okay. I'll make sure I come to your funeral. No! Come on! Let me be the king of the... Yes! I am the king of this tree!
Me! B! Get back here, B! No! I swear!
I didn't do that! Ladybug, why are you hiding over here? Because I hate you.
I need Ladybug!
I'm gonna drink through my ass now.
Hi, Winnie. Go. Oh, you're such a cutie.
I'm not even sure if we're still recording right now.
We are.
Okay. This will be the episode of derpy noises. Derpy noises.